Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to begin. Sign into Namecheap or quickly create an account using your email. Once logged in, enter your primary domain into the search bar and hit search. If it's taken, pick one of the two alternates you prepared. This saves time. Make sure your payment method is added now so you can complete checkout without interruption. You'll also see pricing and privacy options. Note these because they affect total cost and visibility of your Whois info. Once you find an available domain, click Add to Cart and review configuration options. Choose your registration term. Longer terms can save money, but make sure auto-renew settings match your plan. Opt into Whois privacy if you want your contact data hidden. Add premium DNS only if you need faster global resolution. If you already have hosting, change name servers to your hosts. Otherwise, keep Namecheap's default. Finally, confirm domain transfer lock status and double-check spelling before checkout. You're at checkout, enter payment details and confirm the billing email, then complete the purchase. After purchase, Namecheap will send an email to verify your contact address. Click the verification link promptly because domains can be suspended if not verified. Once verified, enable two-factor authentication to secure your account. If DNS changes take time, be patient. Propagation can take up to 48 hours. If Whois or verification fails, contact Namecheap support and check the domain status in your dashboard for specific errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.